Welcome to Punav's Moonlit Stories. Today I'm going to show you how, with a different kind of mixed plantation, we can attract birds in our garden. So, the first shrub or tree that you can see here is called the tagar shrub, which is a flowering shrub. All names of plants are in Marathi. The next tree that you can see here is the papai tree. So, this is a fruiting tree. Birds will be attracted for the fruits. And in the first case, the tagar tree or shrub, the birds will be attracted for the flowers, the nectar in the flowers. So, here you can see the gulbakshi shrub, gulbakshi flowers. So this is a mixed plantation which contains trees, shrubs, thorny shrubs and creepers. Here you can see a flowering shrub again. Jaswandi we call it in Marathi. Jaswanda. So again, the purple rumped sunbird, which is often seen here, comes for the nectar in this flower. So different elements of trees will be responsible for attracting different birds. And so it is very important to have a mixed plantation which contains fruit trees and flowering trees. This is again a flowering shrub. A different variety of jaswandi. In English, in this particular plant, it is called the spider hibiscus. There are some potted trees with foliage here. Now this is a very important plant in the garden, which is a huge tree, a flowering tree, chafa tree. It is called chafa in Marathi. So it bears beautiful flowers, pandra chafa, and these again attract different kinds of birds. Next tree here is the parijatak tree, which in Marathi we called prajaktachi fule. So here the purple rumped sunbird has made a nest on a branch of the prajakta tree. So you can see this kind of mixed plantation attracts birds and helps in making them nests also. So birds also make nests. I can hear the purple rumped sunbird, so I am trying to catch its glimpse for you. So here you can see the purple rumped sunbird who has made the nest. So like these, birds will be attracted to your garden if you make a mixed plantation of fruiting trees and flowering trees as well. Also, there is a variation in shrub trees, tall trees, and the creepers. So this variation is also very important. This is a flowering shrub again, or a tree you can call it. So this is the ananta flower, that white flower that you can see is called the ananta flower, which smells very beautiful, very nice. This is the aboli flower. In Marathi we call this shrub, flowering shrub, aboli. So I hope this video helps you all to have a mixed plantation and attract birds. Thank you.